friends! This tutorial is on how to sign into Google Classroom and join a class if your teacher sent you a code. So I'm just starting on a Google page on my Chrome browser, and if you're already signed into Google, maybe you're on a Chromebook as you use this, or you're just already signed in, if you click on that little group of 9 squares, you should see a link to Classroom, and that will take you straight to Google Classroom. Now, if you don't see that for some reason, you can always type classroom.google.com, and it should also bring you in. Once you're in Classroom, anything you're already signed up for should show up. But let's say your teacher sent you a code and needs you to sign up for maybe a new class. There's a little plus button up in the right-hand corner. It should be just left of your initial or your picture for Google. If you hover over it and don't touch anything, it should say Join Class. Click that, and then type in the code that your teacher sent to you, and click Join. Once you've done that, you are officially enrolled in the class and you'll have everything that your teacher sent you. Good luck!